The popularity of AI in those days was skyrocketing. In today's world where technology and intelligence converge to shape the world as we know it, artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of science fiction, it's a reality that's redefining industries, enhancing our lives, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Welcome to the realm of endless creativity, where art meets technology in ways you've never seen before. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of AI image generators, where pixels and algorithms combine to craft digital masterpieces that challenge the boundaries of human imagination. Before we dive into this video, please help us to reach 1K subscribers, as it will be a great support for us as we're on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers. Your subscription makes a real difference, so be a part of our journey as we grow together. In this video, we'll journey through the extraordinary landscapes of AI-powered artistry, Stable Diffusion and the Midjourney. These two powerhouses can paint, draw, and design anything with a flair which is truly remarkable. Prepare to be astonished as we showcase some of the most stunning and thought-provoking AI-generated artworks that challenge our perception of creativity and innovation. Let's start with Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is a popular foundation model that can generate images from text descriptions. This generative model is renowned for its ability to consistently churn out stunning, high-quality images. How does it work? Well, Stable Diffusion using your text as a prompt and then uses a latent diffusion model, which progressively removes noise, depixelates it, and finally creates the desired image. This gradual refinement process is used to generate images, resulting in visuals that are sharp, realistic, and visually appealing. Stable Diffusion excels at generating images with exceptional clarity and realism. Its gradual refinement process results in visually appealing outcomes. The model's reliability in generating consistent images makes it an attractive choice for various applications, including digital art and content creation. Stable Diffusion is capable of producing diverse images by altering the noise vector, allowing for creative experimentation. Stable Diffusion is an open-source and free tool that can run locally on your own computer or on a cloud service. It offers customization options, such as image size, seed value, sampler type, and art model selection. Midjourney, on the other hand, takes a different approach to image generation. It employs an autoregressive technique, where the model generates images one pixel at a time, sequentially. This method provides flexibility and creative control during the generation process. Midjourney offers fine-grained control over image generation, allowing users to guide the process pixel by pixel. This level of control is ideal for artists and designers seeking specific outcomes. The autoregressive approach makes Midjourney versatile, capable of generating a wide range of image styles, from highly detailed to abstract. Midjourney's efficiency in generating images can be an advantage, as it doesn't require extensive computational resources. Midjourney is a closed-source tool that can only run on Discord through a bot. It can handle complex and creative prompts better. However, Midjourney has fewer customization options, fewer model variants, and it may be less accessible for some users who do not use Discord. Now let's analyze which tool is best by doing comparative analysis. Midjourney provides more control over the creative process, making it a great choice for artists and designers with specific visions. While both tools can produce diverse images, Stable Diffusion's gradual refinement lends itself to a wider range of outputs. In conclusion, the choice between Stable Diffusion and Midjourney depends on your specific needs. The choice is yours. Explore both, and pick the tool that aligns best with your image generation goals. As we wrap up our journey through the mesmerizing world of AI image generators, one thing becomes abundantly clear: these technologies are pushing the boundaries of creativity and redefining the possibilities in art. But remember, the true magic lies in the synergy between human creativity and AI innovation. The future of art is a partnership, where human imagination guides AI's extraordinary capabilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey. The world of AI image generation is ever evolving, and we're excited to witness the masterpieces yet to come. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay inspired, stay creative, and embrace the incredible future of art with AI.